Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Let's go for a quick drive in this 2021 INFINITI Q60 Red Sport 400. I have a video on the Q50 Red Sport, Q50 Lux, Q50 Sensory, and Q60 Lux on this channel. And I finally got my hands on a Red Sport to make a video on for the Q60. They're not very common, so it's good that I was able to get my hands on this one. It's a nice car. I really like the Q60, I always have. So yeah, you have the carbon fiber interior trim, 400 horsepower in this car. Bose Performance Series sound system. The sunroof as well. So yeah, the pickup in these is great. The Q50 and Q60 Red Sport, they have 400 horsepower, which is not a joke. It's pretty fast. I personally prefer the Q60 over the Q50 a lot because I think the Q60 looks way better than the Q50 does. It's a really good looking coupe. You don't really see these that often. So it is a unique car. Pretty smooth ride. As I said, the seats are very comfortable in this vehicle. And this one is finished in dynamic sunstone red with black wheels, which we'll take a look at the end of this video, which looks really, really good. Interior materials are pretty good. But yeah, as a used car, the value, it's a great value for this. A lot of people may argue that as a new car at like the price of like, what is it? I think it's like 66 grand or something like that. That's a lot of money for this car. But again, it's really outdated, right? But as a pre-owned, certified pre-owned vehicle, these sell really, really fast because they're really uncommon. They discontinued the Q60 in 2022, right? So, and if you want to get a Q60 Red Sport, they're gone within a few days of listing because they're just really hard to find, especially a certified pre-owned one. Yeah, nice car to drive. I would highly recommend anyone to get this if they're looking for one. Like, with the CPO warranty, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. If you're really looking for a Q60. Yeah, pretty nice car. Let's go for a quick walk around on this Q60. Dynamic Sunstone Red. Black wheels. Looks really good. Red calipers. Beautiful coupe. Solid thud to the door. You got heated seats in here as well. Yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.